Hello guys, today in this video we are going to help you to find out the best arc welders in the market. Let's get started with the video. Number 5, Campbell Hausfeld. Dual heat setting that runs great for both small repairs and hobby welding. Durable metal welder with comfort fit handle for added convenience. Capable of welding 18 Ga up to 1/8 inch material. Thermal overload protection to prevent overheating, and transformer that provides an easy starting, smooth arc. Welds milder stainless steel from 18 gauge to 1/8 inch. Arc stick welder powered by 115 volt current. Automatically shuts off at duty cycle rating. Dual heat setting for use with welding rods. Number 4, Lincoln AC 225, versatile use, designed for operation with metal 16 gauge and heavier, powerful welder, smooth AC arc, and can be used with a wide variety of metals, including steel, cast iron and stainless steel. The AC 225 produces an extremely smooth AC arc for welding a wide variety of materials including carbon, low alloy, and stainless steels as well as cast iron. Metal 16 gauge and heavier can easily be arc welded with the AC 225. Number 3, Hobart Stickmate 160i, easy quick reliable starts with hot start technology. Up to 160 A output. Welds up to 5/30 seconds inch mild steel. From the brand you know comes the most dependable, portable, powerful stick welder, even if you don't use it every day. Easy, quick, and reliable arc starts with hot start technology. DC output means fewer arc outages, less sticking, less spatter and best arc control. Nearly 100 pounds lighter compared to leading competitive machine, so you can work smarter not harder by bringing the welder to the work. It's portable so it's easier to carry and store. Features infinite amperage control for precise and accurate amperage control and heat output, adjust output by as little as 1 amp increments. Number 2, Forney Easy Weld 100 ST, easy to use and portable. Allowing you to take it wherever you need to weld. Easy start technology makes every arc strike a breeze. Applications include do-it-yourself, maintenance and repair and hobbyist. Perfect for beginners. The perfect starter arc welder machine delivers a 120V input and 90A output plus is TIG capable, sold separately. Efficiently designed to handle up to 1/8 inch electrode and weld 16 gauge up to 5/16 inch. Great for dome automotive applications and projects around the home. Number 1, SIMDER. The arc welder is so easy to use that it can be used by novice for practicing and for small welding operations to become a master welder. No matter is man or woman welders. The arc welder fits below 3.2 mm welding rods for whole day welding. It is applicable for welding all kinds of ferrous metals such as carbon steel, medium carbon steel and alloy steel amongst others. SIMDER Arc Welders has a high quality design. Welding machine has small size, compact and lightweight, easy carry and storage, high frequency household smart welder. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.